This autumn, we are pleased to release the latest updates to StoreSpace in version 1.13. Many of the improvements in this release are features developed in direct response to client requests and suggestions. Firstly, you will notice the new look, feel and branding of the StoreSpaceOnline portal and AutoCAD environments, which better reflects the quality of StoreSpace and is in line with the company rebranding from CA Design Services to CADS. We've updated the fixture field functionality so that data can now be added to any AutoCAD block within the drawing, not just merchandisable blocks. This means the whole store can now be reported on, not just the sales area as previously. Additionally, blocks can have their fixture fields preset within the master equipment library, improving the maintenance of drawing standards. While for plan colouring, equipment can either be created to include a StoreSpace hatch polyline, or if one is not detected, then StoreSpace will automatically create one based on the extents of a block. Additionally, the Add Legend facility has been created for fixture fields, allowing a key to be added to the drawing. In this release, we have created the ability to swap a proposal to live automatically or manually via the landing date feature. By automating the status update, the promoting to live feature is more efficient and no longer requires the opening and uploading of the proposal drawing, thereby making the planning workflow more robust. The StoreSpace batch processing facility has also been improved. The dialog box has been split into 3 tabs comprising the file selection, the appearance and the swap rules. The core changes are on the appearance text tab, where we have added the ability to control whether the planned item is shown or not, and also whether the planned item, database and fixture field texts are added or updated as part of the publication process. This makes it easier to update estate-wide changes to floor plans. The contents of the area labels can now be configured with the option to choose square feet or square meters, just the department name on its own, or no label at all. We have also added the ability to preset a system variable so that areas below a certain size will not be labelled. StoreSpace can now be configured to display your area clusters on the Store Details page, replacing the 4 standard area groups that you currently see. These are GIA, Sales, Back of House and Miscellaneous. Or it can be configured to display both area groups and area clusters, or just area groups if you prefer. If you choose to show area clusters, you could have one called Produce, created from the sum of 2 separate areas, one called Fruit and the other called Vegetables, and another area cluster called Footwear, created from the sum of separate areas, Women's Shoes, Men's Shoes and Children's Shoes. The total of these areas will then be visible on the Store Details page. Finally, we have 2 further updates. A system variable can now be set to control the colour fade when hatching fixtures at category or planogram level, so that the single solid category colour can now be used. The Store Details page has been updated to show number of departments even if bays are planned at category or planogram level.